Laundry. Hey there, how are you? Good. How about you? I'm good. Do you come to the laundromat often? Yeah, I come about once a week. How about you? I come about once every 2 weeks. I have a lot of clothes. Oh, okay. Yeah, it looks like you have a lot. Yeah, my light colored clothes are over there, and my dark clothes are here. I see. I don't separate mine. Don't the colors fade and stain? Not really. I use mild laundry detergent. Oh, I use strong detergent, so I know my clothes are really clean. That makes sense. What about white clothes? Do you separate those too? I sure do. I hate when they change color. Yeah, me too. I separate my white clothing. I think most people do. It's not too much trouble. Laundry actually isn't so bad. Yeah, I like the smell and feel of freshly cleaned clothes. Me too. I bet it costs quite a bit to wash all of those clothes, though. Yeah, it does. I try to come here only when I need to. Alright, looks like my laundry is done. I'll see you later.